Namaskaram, Nenu me Sirat Kapoor. Very excited once again to be back to High Life. I have to say, and very honestly, I've just walked through the entire market and the stores, and I really feel like this year has just upgraded in terms of designs, in terms of variations, and so much creativity, all at much more reasonable prices and all under one roof. So I will encourage each of you all to come have a look. There's jewelry, there are clothes, there's kurtis, there's literally everything, guys. You have to come and have a look. A big round of applause and a shout out to all the craftsmen who worked on each of the pieces, and they're so unique to each other. I think you all get the least amount of recognition, and so it's very important that I say it. Without you all, the garments would not be looking the way you are. So thank you so much for putting together such exotic pieces, something that we all can wear. Thank you so much, Malam. Yes, I do. I saw a lot of. There was a Kolkata design sari piece. There's a lot of chicken work. There was. What else did I see? I mean, it was just there was too many things. I also saw Gota work. These are things that I personally really like, and you got lovely saris. They can be worn during the day and at night. It can be dressed up to an occasion, or you can even casually wear out. So I think each of you all have to come and see this place. It has value for money, it has quality, and you all can go back with some really cool shopping for each of your family members and friends.
And Siddharth, you got recently got an award here
Yes,
in
yes,
Telangana.
yeah.
How do you feel?
Absolutely surreal. 11 years Tarvata for Run Raja Run to receive an award was one a shocker. We all, I mean, we were so surprised. It doesn't normally happen. But thank you to the Telangana government for such a beautiful initiative. Being part of the event, I have to say that each artist who was even in a supporting character, who may not have been nominated before, who may not have got an award before, each of them I saw winning. So many of them I myself have worked with, and I'm so happy. So congratulations to all the winners, and thank you so much to Revant Reddy Garu for putting across this event. It really uplifts us as actors, and we feel like the industry and the government is together, and I hope we do good.
Any projects here in Telugu?
Yes, I upcoming have one film with JD Chakravarti. It is a pan-India release. We all know about it. It's out and announced in 5 languages: Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, and Kannada. Some of the languages I've actually not worked in before, so it is like a completely new market that I'm stepping into. I'm really excited because the team has put in really all that they can. With, you can imagine, with JD sir's intelligence, and the team and everybody together has really worked really hard on creating something that is unique again. So it is a thriller, but at the same time it has a flavor of its own. It's a psychological thriller, and it talks a lot more deeply about where psychology picks up. So we're going right to back to childhood. It has an important message in the film, and I can't wait for you all to see it.
Any message to your fans who are watching this?
My fans, I love you. Thank you so much for always being there, cheering for me. All your wishes on social media towards Gadar Awards and in general, always uplifting me with the kind of work that I do. I think it's because of them I can make strong decisions, and I can try and experiment new things as an actor. So thank you so much, and God bless all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.